Hello guys, do you want to learn how you can make 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars on Fiverr with a simple skill that wouldn't even take you about 10 minutes to learn? In fact, I'm going to teach you in this video. All you need is just Canva Fiverr. If this is the first time that you are joining me on this channel, I want you to like this video so that all the people can see it, and subscribe to this channel right now so that you don't miss any of my videos again. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Fiverr, right? And then if you search for remove background from image, you'll see different gigs that people are offering. For example, this person is offering from $10, and you can see it says Fiverr's choice. I will remove background from any image in 1 hour. Now look at it. This one is offering in 1 hour. Wow. That is good. This person says, I will remove background from image, clipping part, and transparent or white. And this person says, I will remove background from images just in 2 hours. This is good. I love the fact that they are offering that they will be removing in certain hours. And you can see this person says, I will remove images. Now, let's just look at those ones that we've checked. This person, this is it. You see, simple. This person will just remove the image from this and bring it to this one. This is what we call removing the background from an image. Okay. Can you see? And this person, has gotten how many reviews so far? The person is in level 2. The person even have one order in queue? Now look at this person, has 2 orders in queue and is just removing the background. This is another one. Now I'm not going to bore you with showing you all of this, but I just want to show you that, for example, if this person has got 1,314 reviews and the least the person is charging is $5. Okay, now imagine that, because on Fiverr, it's not everybody that bought something from you that is going to leave review. But imagine that everybody that bought something from this person left a review. Now this is 1,300. Okay, so if you say 1,300 multiply by 5, you see it will give us $6,500. Now this person has made about $6,500, and that is if the person is just charging where is the person? And that is if the person is just charging the basic fee of $5. But the person can even charge more. For example, look at this: 20 photo, 50 photos. 110 photos for $50. So this is an opportunity for you. This is something you can use to make money. So how do you remove background? Now, you can do that in Photoshop. You can do it in other, softwares. But the simplest that I've found is Canva. In fact, there are 2 types of platform. There's another platform called remove.bg. All right. So if you go to remove.bg, you'll be able to also use the platform for free. Just upload the image and it will remove the background. Okay, but the problem with this is that the free version will not give you quality images, and your clients will want a quality image. All right, so if you go to pricing, you can use their credit here, which is good. You can use their credit here, which is good. Okay, so but the one I want to show you is using Canva Pro. So if you want to get Canva, just click on the link in my bio and you're going to get Canva free for 30 days. The Canva Pro for free for 30 days. Now look at this client. One of the clients that I've worked for actually gave me this image and said I should remove the background for her. And as you can see, there are many images here, but I'm just going to use this one. For example, she sent me this. Let me zoom it a bit for you. So she sent me this image and then she sent me this one as well. So this image, she said this is what she needs in all of this image. Then I should remove the background of the other part. Now, if you look at this image, let's bring this, you see that this is the actual one that she needs. So I'm just going to delete this. All right. So what I did on Canva is I just created like a square, Instagram square, but just create, a new project, and then I zoomed it. Or sometimes you can just crop it to the one that she wants. For example, you can crop it this way. You see on Canva. Once you click on the image, it's going to crop. Then you can then zoom it out. Okay. Zoom it. You can make it fill this space so that what she wants is in focus. So what you want to do, okay, I can still like make this one smaller. So what you want to do is to click on share and download this image. So they download it, and then I want to use the bigger quality, and then I'm downloading it as PNG, which is a very good quality. And then I will choose the first one, which is the only one I want to download, and then I'll click on download. Now I'm downloading it as an image. I have not yet removed the background. So just click on this, remove background. Then what I want to do next is I will now drag this and upload it again. Delete the image that you have before. So I'll just click on delete, and then I'll zoom this. It's now very big. Now what you want to do is just click on this edit. All right. Once you click on edit, click on magic grab. Now see the magic that is going to happen. This is going to blow your mind. All right. So once you do that, just click on this image. Once you click on the image, you see that it has highlighted it. What you want to do is click on grab. Look at, just wait and see the magic. Wow, can you see? Can you see the magic? Now, click on the background, delete it. Now, this is very important. Once you have done this, now remove background from this, because if you don't remove the background, it's going to bring like a blurry image, and the customer will have to tell you to go back and work on it again. So just click on remove background here, and it's just going to remove any background that is now, under it. Now this image is fantastic. All you need to do is just download this, go to download, and then click on transparent background. Okay, you can also make this ×2. Make sure you click on transparent backgrounds. That is what the client wants. And then you just click on download, and you're good to go. Wow, what do you think about this? Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this tutorial. And so all you need to do is just go and create a Fiverr account today. I'm going to leave a link in the description as well on a tutorial that I held on how you can create a Fiverr account, make dollars, and so on and so forth. But this is a skill that is amazing. You have just learned another skill that is going to add $5,000 into your account. Remember, like this video, you can copy the link, share with someone that you believe should learn or gain from this, and subscribe to this channel so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be able to know about it. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.